Here we have the combined brake accelerator trigger from Fardiel Italiana. The trigger system from Fardiel is very unique in the fact that we can use our index finger to throttle, and we can also use the small finger while holding the wheel and pulling the stalk back towards the wheel. It's the only system on the market like it. Like all the Fardiel levers, we have the option of a left side unit. In this case, we've got a right side unit mounted, incorporated with a spinner knob on the opposing side. One of the fantastic features with the Fardiel brake levers is this brake lock feature. It's a unique feature available to the Fardiel brake levers. Here we've got the brake lock function being used, which is very beneficial when we're sitting at stationary traffic lights. And then to release, just press the brake lever and drive away. There is a acceleration cutout feature. We can adjust where that actually cuts out, so the amount of braking effort required for that to cut out the throttle. Here we have the Fardiel brake lever in a broken down state. As you can see, it's a very solid, durable lever. 50mm Torrington bearings in here to enable application of the brake lock button. Quite a unique function. Fixing points for the brake rod. When you see the way these plastics fit, it's a testament to how the product has been designed. Covers in some way actually hide the quality of the unit. This particular lever's been customised with a blue finish. Customised leather with the blue stitch, one of several custom options that we can offer, ready to be installed into the vehicle. So here we've got the option of incorporated keypad for indicators and lights. Fairly simplistic, easy to use, and integrated into the brake lever. As far as adjustments of the trigger hand control system, through the mounting we can adjust the placement. The articulated joint for the accelerator can also be adjusted, both on the resting angle and on the angle that we fixate. The trigger accelerator enables us to gain a very neutral position on the steering wheel, in the fact that we can get this hand, in this case the right hand, onto the wheel, and we can put this hand up on the spinner. So we're getting somewhat balanced neutral positioning on the wheel. Here I'm approaching a left-hand turn. Keep the hand on the spinner knob throughout the motion and then throttle out of the corner. All steering manoeuvres are done with the use of the spinner knob. We can see from these manoeuvres that it's very easy with the spinner knob and the trigger accelerator to work through those parking manoeuvres. The trigger accelerator system is the most popular hand control, given the fact that it's in keeping with traditional means as far as braking and accelerating from the same lever. So it works well for those people transitioning from push-pull controls as well as a push-pat control.
The trigger accelerator is suited mainly for paraplegics. They can use their fingers quite well to operate it, whereas a quadriplegic might have a bit of trouble there.
The trigger accelerator is a lovely hand control system. There's different ways in which the accelerator toggle can be activated, but it's simply just pulling back on the trigger to activate the accelerator. And for many people that have changed from using a push-pull system to the now newer trigger accelerator system, find this system much more comfortable. The hand can actually rest a little bit more on the hand control, and it requires a lot less effort to be able to accelerate. It's just a simple maneuver of using the finger to pull rather than using the whole arm.
Some of the feedback I get from clients is it's very easy to use. Some of them have actually come from old hand control systems and looked at the new one, and they've driven with the trigger and they just love it. Yeah, it's very easy for them to adjust to it.